All right, here we are at Toy Story Land, and Woody told me that my best way to get around Toy Story Land is to take Slinky Dog and help find Lee's, because that's the fastest around. What does he mean by the fastest? I guess we're gonna go find out. Let's go check out Slinky Dog.
Like when they got like separated, like no, I remember what you're talking about though. He did quite a stage left. He's trying to break it off. I think it was. Because I think I think so.
Well, we're here to look for my wife. Hopefully she's around somewhere.
We'll take care of that. Why are you pushing yourself? You only have to jaw. Come on. Just get tight. I got it.
I might be a classic, but I still like this green. Let's go.
Is that better? It's much better, isn't it? I knew it would be. Everybody thinks they have to touch it. When this launches, you're going to pull it. So if it's already too tight, it's just
now I'm just nervous. I don't think your glasses are going to fall off.
Make sure you don't raise up on that great foot. Like it is too high.
Too high?
Thank you.
That's funny. Let's go. Where are we going? Where are we going?
You good, guys?
Here we go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, geez.
Okay. Uh-huh. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Have you seen my wife? You're too busy singing. I got you. Okay.
You're gonna see destiny. You got a friend in me. I think I feel a storm coming on. You got a friend in me.
Oh yeah.
You got a friend in me.
That's what that Mr. Spill is saying.
The road is rough and real. I hope you enjoy dashing around the backyard. Please stay seated till we come to a complete stop. Remember to grab all your stuff. Get out. So long, Grandma.
Excellent. Didn't see Lee, though. Yeah. Well, that was definitely the fastest way around Toy Story Land. But didn't see Lee's. Well, we'll keep looking. Hey, Bo, I've been looking everywhere for my wife, and nope, couldn't find her. No? Okay. What about Tim Tractor? Have you seen yeah, no Tim Tractor either. I know he usually hangs with you, so, but, well, can't find either of them. Well, we tried. We've gone all over Hollywood Studios and could not find her, so, but we had a good time. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and, hey, we'll keep looking for her. We won't find the tracker.